Okay, I was just about to sit down to eat dinner and I discovered this. I am completely shocked. I never ever expected this out of Buddy. He's guilty. He's holding the scissors and Zart's right there. I was so confused because Zart always does this. Buddy, what in the world were you thinking? Okay, so over here there's an ornament. It says, "The elves made me do it." And it looks like somebody wrote, "Please cut me open, Zart." That's really weird. Okay, here's a message from Zart. "Buddy, please open me up. I have more inside than just glitter." Zart. Wow. Okay, and then here's a letter from Buddy. "Meebles, can you help me get what's inside Zart? Love, Buddy." Okay, so it's been like really controversial, but I decided I'm gonna do this, and then I'm going to help Zart out after I touch him with glitter. Well, I'm gonna touch the glitter and then put cinnamon around him. So, not sure how to go about doing this. Whoa, that's a lot of glitter. Okay, so we need to figure out what's inside him. Jeez, that's a lot. Okay. What is this? It's a lot of glitter. Money? Whoa, that's crazy. Zart, I had no idea. Jeez, that's a lot of glitter. I'm gonna pack all this glitter back inside him and then put some cinnamon around, and hopefully this solves the problem. Okay, so I felt super duper bad about doing that to Zart, but he did ask me to, and I just wanted to help him out and do what he wanted. I basically cleaned up all the glitter. As you can see here, I have a little bit of his glitter on my hands, but that's okay. And then I brought some cinnamon, so I'm just gonna put some of this on, so hopefully he'll get some of his magic powers back, because I hope that he's just gonna be a good Zart from now on. We'll see. Okay. Okay, so hopefully in a little while he'll come back and he'll be fine. Okay, find out soon. Well, my plan worked. The cinnamon worked, and Zart actually did some good. He brought some Christmas spending money. That is so nice of you, Zart. I'm so glad that you seem to be doing better. Let's see what he wrote. "Thanks for making me better, Zart." Aw, how sweet of you. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel to become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf does. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf.